To begin, I want to encourage you to only do what feels most comfortable for you. Okay? Second thing, you do not need a quote unquote good voice. You don't need to be in tune with me. All you need is a willingness to try. Now, on to the exercise. So we're going to do something I call full body sound healing. We're going to start at the top of the head. We're going to go the whole way down through the body. And what we're doing is creating energy. We're creating sound energy that creates vibration in the body and helps the body to essentially loosen. Your job is just to do your best, listen to your body, take breaks when you need to. We're going to make the sound of the vowel E with an M at the end, so it'll be eem. And this is for the very top of the head. Now, I like to hold the top of my head when I do this. It's optional. Do what you like. Remember to listen to your body. Take breaks when you need to. We'll do a few of these. Here we go. Big breath in. Yeah, good. A couple more. Try to use a little more volume this time without straining. Ready? Good. Rest your hand and let's do one more breath in. Good. Just notice how you feel even after a couple of sounds. Breathe, relax. Right now, there's nothing to do but make sound and relax. We're going to move now to the forehead. I like to hold the back of my head, so the base of the skull. Put my palm almost like a face palm, right? We're going to do the sound aim. Okay? Close your eyes if that's comfortable. Breath in. Good. Again. Again. And one more. Good. Remember, breathe, relax. Take breaks when you need to. Always okay to pause the video. Now, when we make sound, I want you to see if you can focus your attention on the vibration. Let go of other thoughts. Be here. For this one, we'll come back to the neck. This time we're going to use the vowel I. So I'm. Focus on the vibration. Breath in. Good. breathe in, just let it go. Notice how you feel from the neck up. See if you can feel a contrast between this part of your body, so the upper half, and the lower half. We have a couple more sounds to do. So when we get into the torso, we're going to keep the spine straight and chin down just a little bit. That helps the sound to get down into the more dense part of the torso. Okay? So we're going to bring the hands to the chest. Again, hand positions are optional. Do what you like. I'll back up a little bit. The sound is Spine straight. Chin down, breathe in. Yeah, good. Breathing in. One more time. Good. Bring the hands down to solar plexus. It's that spot right at the bottom of the rib cage. So again, spine is straight, and we tilt the chin down, and the sound is Om. Here we go. Om. Good. Again. Two more. One more. Good. Breathe, relax. We have two more sounds to do. We're going to move now to the belly button. So we're going to hold the hands right on the belly. While you're there, give your belly some extra love. Sometimes we are hard on our poor bellies. Again, spine is straight. That helps the sound travel down more efficiently. Also, chin down. The sound is Here we go. Good. Breathe in. One more. Very good. Breathe in and let it go. Last sound. So we're going to put our hands on our waist, right? I'll just stand back a little bit so you can see, kind of like this. The sound here is the sound So hands are on the waist, spine is straight, tilt the chin down, Big breath in. And again. Two more. Last one. Yes. Big breath in. Just let it go. Relax your arms. Close your eyes if you like for a moment. Just notice how your body feels. Remember back to how your mind was when we first started. See if there's been a change.